What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another banger. Today I'll be installing the 6.2 liter LS3 with the 6L80E tranny in the 87 Monte Carlo SS T-top. As you can see behind me, the engine is already on the hoist. I already installed the engine mounts on there where they could slide. I bought those on Amazon for a very good deal. And I used the motor mounts from O'Reilly's. Those are the OEM motor mounts. So those are already in the engine bay installed. So yeah, I just want to show you guys a little quick video of me installing it with the tranny. I already have the cross member in there for the dual pipes. I have an X pipe in there right now, as a matter of fact. I had a 305 before. I took that out. So that's why I have an X pipe. I didn't think I was gonna get an LS3 this soon, but it just happened. So here it is. I got the tranny right here next to me. I'll show you guys right now how I'm gonna install that very quick right now. I'm gonna install it together. That way I could put just throw it in there together. You know what I mean? And just go from there. Just for those that are gonna be doing. Oh yeah, then I had to buy this. Just want to show you guys this. This on G bodies, especially if you have a G-force cross member like I do. For some reason, the tranny mount did not reach the cross member. So the tranny mount, this is gonna sit on the tranny, and this is gonna sit on the mount, and you can adjust it. It's another piece. This piece costs about 130 something. You know what I mean? So for those that are wigging out why the tranny does not reach the cross member, this is why you need this from G-force. I don't know why G-force cross members didn't come with it, but maybe everybody does not need it. But in my case, I did, so I have it right here. Also, if for you to be doing a G-body swap, you need a 302-2 oil pan. Yeah, guys. So once again, we need a 302-2 oil pan. Do not forget that, because it will hit. I got mine from Holly, 302-2. So yes, guys, this is gonna make it. This is gonna make it work. Once again, this sits on the tranny where the tranny mount's supposed to go, and this sits on the cross member. You feel me? So yes, guys, I'm very excited that I have the right parts, right tools. So I'll just tell you guys a little later, but I'll tell you guys right now. Theo from High Rev Tuning did my Stage 3 cam. I have a Stage 3 cam. He did all kinds of stuff to it. Made it to where it's gonna work right and not Mickey Mouse. I'm excited about that. And once I'm done with all this stuff, I'm gonna go back to Theo and he's gonna dyno tune it and go from there, guys. So yeah, just little by little. Once again, I'm gonna install it and show you guys how it's gonna look. And I'm very excited for this build, man. So stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, there you have it. The 6.2 liter is on the 6L80E tranny with the 32 to 34 torque converter. Yes, indeed, it's 6.2 liter LS3. I'm ready to slap it in there and go from there. Once again, guys, got the mounts right here, the engine mounts. They will slide once I install them on the motor mounts. You can see I got them right there. All right, fellas, there you have it. Sitting nice on the mounts, motor mounts, and ignition mounts. Beautiful. Just gotta adjust it later. But that's where I'm at right now, guys. I'll be showing you guys the aftermath little by little on how I do it. But as of now, this is I'm gonna post that I officially installed the LS3 on the Monte Carlo. Nice, as it should be. There's more to come. This is just to you know, install it and go from there, guys. So stay tuned for the next videos. I'll show you guys right now how we gonna do it. But I'm pretty excited, guys. This is my new build. For those that have been following me already know that I have the 2018 Silverado crew cab on 30-inch 4G autos, lane frame all around, blow through, starlights, Alpine I209, I believe. It's done. This truck's done, guys. But this is my new project. This is where we're at as of now. So stay tuned for the next videos. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if you guys noticed, but on the G-Force transmission adjustable mount, it wasn't screwed on right. I'm still gonna mess with it, you know. But it's on for now. I'll be doing it later with somebody, or someone's gonna be doing it. I'm not sure yet, but I'll definitely have somebody help me. But other than that, yeah, I mean, I look forward to what's coming up next. It will be done soon, you know. So I'll definitely be posting videos of what's next. So if you guys want to be seeing more videos of what's coming up next, whether it's me with somebody or somebody, I'll be for sure dropping videos. So yeah, man, I hope I helped out a little bit. For sure, for those that are doing the G body, you will definitely need a 302-2 oil pan. I got mine from Holly, and that if you're having problems with the transmission mount not reaching the cross member, that is definitely the problem. You're gonna need that piece that I just mentioned. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end this video with a deuces. Catch you in the next one.